The Chinese government is now complaining about defamation by Turkey after the Turkish government has strongly criticized China for violating human rights violations against the Uyghur people. According to China, the allegations also include a hidden agenda that Turkey is following. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman Lu Kang described some statements made by Turkish officials as untrue, irresponsible, and even repugnant. A delegation from the Turkish Fatherland Party visits East Turkestan as a part of its trip to China. After a visit to Beijing, the delegation traveled on to East Turkestan to establish relationships there. Dogu Perinçek, the leader of the Fatherland Party, told at the conference Dialogue Among Ethnic Groups about the Tower of the United States, which they allegedly brought across West Asia. He also said that trust between Turkey and China is important. Members of the Turkish Good Party met with Turkish Foreign Minister Çavuşoğlu to discuss with him the current situation of the Uyghur people. This type of assembly does not appeal to China at all, as Turkey was accused shortly afterwards of slander. According to Indian sources, an Indian military helicopter crashed, killing 6 soldiers and 1 civilian. India is said to have sought Karachi as a military target and set aircraft carriers in motion. As a result, Pakistan has put its defense systems in position. Karachi was hit by 3 major explosions yesterday. In Cairo, at least 20 people lost their lives as a result of a fire at a train station, injuring another 40 people. The number of dead, it is feared, continues to increase. To ensure that ambulance and rescue services can operate without restriction, the station was temporarily taken out of operation.